Our general objective is to develop smarter metal detectors, as metal detector is a most useful tool for finding mines in humanitarian demining.
There are some parts of Croatia that were heavily mined during the conflict in Croatia, which have soils that severely reduce the performances of current metal detectors. So up to a rate that you cannot use the metal detectors, you cannot detect even larger mines. And so we are hoping to make some new metal characterizations algorithms that can operate in such non-cooperative soil, so reduce the effect of the soils on metal detectors.
The final objective is to have better metal detector which produces a smaller number of false alarms.
Current metal detectors, in order to detect minimum metal mines, landmines, need to increase their sensitivity. If you increase the sensitivity of metal detectors, you will start to measuring actually the soil. And if the soil is non-cooperative, it will completely block the metal detector capabilities of detecting the metal. So we are trying to measure both things simultaneously. That would mean to characterize the metal and then measure the soil properties in order to compensate it.
We plan to integrate our results in results of other projects, a project from the group of Professor Tony Payton.
We are hoping to achieve both detection, characterization of metal objects, and finding something more about the soil that we can use in compensation of the soil effects.
12 months from now, we expect to have first experimental field tests of our metal detector having smarter soil compensation.
The main technical challenge is actually to separate those two signals, because you will have them as a sum, and it will be difficult to recognize the part of the signal that comes from the metal object itself and the soil.
It is difficult to find money for the mining, funds for the mining. I know that from Croatian case, where actually some charities are organized to collect funds for the mining. So when you ask some funds for technology developments, it's very hard to find it. So definitely charity find a better ways, effectively bridging that gap and providing researchers to advance the technology which wasn't significantly advanced for last couple of decades or even 50 years or something.